This dance is called Whiskey Woman. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance with 4 tags. Starting on the right foot, we're going to do a couple of sailor steps. So behind, side, side with the right, and then sailor step leading with the left, behind, side, side. You then go cross rock, right over left, recover your weight on that left, chassé to the right with a quarter turn at the end. Quarter turn right. That set of steps once more then, sailors off on the right. 7, 8, sailor step, cross rock, chassé turn. You're going to step forward on the left, pivot yourself 3/4 of a turn to the right so you end up back facing the front wall. Straight into a chassé to the left. You're then going to rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. On the and count, you're going to bring the right beside the left. You're then going to touch the heel forward and hold. So left heel forward and hold. That set of steps once more then. Step, pivot 3/4 off on that left. 7, 8, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel, hold. Now we have got the equivalent of a full turn straddling those 2 sections. So you do your chassé quarter turn at the end of the first one, pivot 3/4 at the start of the second section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do your sailors the same as everybody else, and you'll cross rock. Then instead of doing a turn at the end of the chassé, just do a normal chassé. Instead of doing that pivot 3/4, just cross rock and recover, and then you can add on your chassé, your back rock and heel hold. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take out that full turn equivalent straddling those 2 sections. So let's add those together. Sailor step off on the right. 7, 8, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel, hold. You're now going to go into some toe heel switches. So on the and count, you're going to bring that left back beside the right. You're then going to touch the right out to the side. You're going to bring the right back beside the left, touch the left toe out to the side. Bring the left back beside the right, touch that right heel forward and hold. You're then going to bring the right back beside the left, rock forward on the left, recover your weight on that right, and add on a left-footed coaster step. That set of steps once more then. Into your toe heel switches off on that left. 7, 8, and toe and heel, hold and forward, rock, coaster, step. Let's add that to the top. Same step up on the right. 7, 8, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel, hold, and toe and heel, hold, and forward, rock, coaster, step. Shuffle forward on the right, shuffle forward on the left. Into a mambo half turn. So you're going to rock forward on that right, recover your weight back on that left, make half a turn right as you step that right forward. Then make a further quarter of a turn right as you step the left to the side. End of dance when we get to that point. That set of steps once more then. Shuffle in on the right. 7, 8, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo half turn. Now there is the equivalent of a 3/4 turn there with your mambo half and then that final quarter of a turn. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do, shuffle forward, same as everybody else. Instead of doing your mambo half, rock forward on that right, recover your weight on the left, step back on that right, and then just make a quarter return to the left as you step that left to the side. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 turn out in that very last section. Otherwise, like I said, that is the end of the dance, so let's put it all together. Sailors off on the right. 7, 8, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel, and toe and heel, hold and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn. So that is your dance. It has got a few hand counts in it, so I will now go through it with the counts. Sailor step off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, hold 8. And 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Sailor step off on the right. 7, 8, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel, hold, and toe and heel, hold and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel, hold and toe and heel, hold and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel, and toe and heel, and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn. So that's your dance. Now there are 4 tags in this dance. 3 different types. So, ends of walls 2 and 7, you have your first tag, which quite simply is the 2 sailors, right sailor, left sailor, effectively that you do at the start of the dance, but slow timing, so they do not have the and counts in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ends of walls 2 and 7. So wall 2 is our 9 o'clock wall, wall 7 will actually be our 6 o'clock wall. So let's just do wall 2, add on the tag, restart the dance. Sailor steps off on the right. 7, 8, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel, hold and toe and heel, hold and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn tag, sailor step, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn. So hopefully you can see that they are slow sailor steps. So that's at the ends of walls 2 and 7. You get to the end of wall 4, that is when you have your next tag. You will be facing 12 o'clock. You'll tag quite simply, hold, hold. So you pause for 2 beats, 2 counts of music. That's at the end of wall 4. Then at the end of wall 5, you have another tag. So wall 5 will be our 12 o'clock wall. We will be facing 9 o'clock when we come to do the third and the final tag. So this tag, back rock on the right, recover, side rock on the right, and recover. Simple as that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's have a go at wall 4, which is our 3 o'clock wall. End of wall 4, pause for those 2 counts, continue into wall 5, end of wall 5, you have that other tag, your back rock, side rock, restart, you can see how it all fits in. Sailor step off on the right. 7, 8, sailor step, cross, rock, chassé, turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back, rock and heel. Hold and toe and heel, hold and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn tap, hold, hold, sailor step, cross rock, chassé turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back rock and heel, hold and toe and heel, hold and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn tag, back rock, side rock, restart, sailor step, cross rock, chassé turn. So hopefully you can see how they all fit in. So, wall 1, nothing. Wall 2, end of, you have your 2 slow sailor steps. Nothing at the end of wall 3, end of wall 4, hold for 2 counts. Wall 5, you have your back rock, side rock. Nothing on wall 6, and then on wall 7, you have your 2 slow sailor steps again. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, and your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Sailor step, cross rock, chassé turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back rock and heel, and toe and heel, forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn. Sailors, she tag ball, cross rock, chassé turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back rock and heel, and toe and heel, and forward rock, coaster step. Right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn, slow sailors. Sailor step, cross rock, chassé turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back rock and heel, and toe and heel, and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn. Sailors, your next tag wall, cross rock, chassé turn, step, pivot, left chassé, back rock and heel, and toe and heel, and forward rock, coaster step, right shuffle, left shuffle, mambo, half turn, hold, sailors, pivots, the next tag wall, shuffles, back rock, side rock, sailors, pivots, and toe.
Whiskey woman, can you sing another song, one for the lovers and losers?
Sailor, pivots, the next tag wall, and toe. Sailors, slow ones, sailor step. Pivots, and toe, shuffles, managed that one.